Hi, and welcome back to Ask Angelo, where we answer all of your construction needs. For today's video, we're going to explain what is an electrical switch. Basically, an electrical switch is the fixture we use to light up the lights. And if you're planning to buy an electrical switch, you must first consider what do you need. Because there are different types of electrical switch. We have a single pole way, a double pole way, a three-way switch, and a four-way switch. But for today's video, we're going to explain the single pole switch, how to install or replace in just a minute. So, let's go! First, you'll be needing the following tools: flat screw, Phillips screwdriver, gloves, and a set of electrical switch. Dismantle the existing electrical switch. And using a flat screwdriver, unlock the lock to remove the wires. Prepare the new set of electrical switch. Place the wires in the corresponding terminals. Then try to pull it to make sure that it is secured. Secure the plate using the flat screwdriver and the screw. Make sure that it's tight enough. Then lastly, put on the cover plate. And there you have it. That's all for today. How can we help you become a champion builder? Visit us at MC Home Depot on Facebook or email us at askangelo@gmail.com. And join us next week. See ya! MC Home Depot would like to thank Panasonic Manufacturing Philippines Corporation for sponsoring this video.